Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Earth MotorCars. My name is Alex, and today we have a super special one for you guys to check out. Behind me is our 1969 Camaro with just a few tricks up its sleeve. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this bad boy. Very first thing that you're gonna notice about this Camaro is the shining Carolina blue paint. But this is not just any Carolina blue paint, this is PPG paint. And if you guys know that name, PPG is some of the best quality paint that you can physically find. I mean, this car is shining. It looks incredible, and I promise you, it is going to look this Carolina blue for decades and decades and decades to come. Of course, it's a 69, so to tie the car together, we have the white hockey stripes going across the entire side of the car. It's kind of an off-white color, looks incredible, ties together that true 69 look. You're sitting on a set of 14-inch color-matched steel wheels, and behind that, you have a full set of disc brakes going across the entire car for stopping power. On the rear quarter panel, you're gonna see the classic 69 vent right there, and on the front, Rally Sport badging. And if we go to the front as well, you're gonna see more Rally Sport badging. But if you notice in the beginning of the video, I said this was a 69 Camaro, not a 69 Camaro RS, and because this is a conversion. In the front, these hideaway headlights are aftermarket, but they're done phenomenally. If you guys know anything about the RS conversions, half of the time, these hideaway headlights do not work, and these work flawless. Let me go inside real quick, flip that headlight switch, and you're gonna see those hideaways, hideaway with no issues. The front grille is color matched to the rest of the car to tie it in even better. And of course, you have the front black splitter on the bottom to give it an even more aggressive look. Now, if we go to the side right here, you're gonna see 396 badging on the front fender, but I promise you guys, there's anything but a 396 in this. And that is where the first trick up its sleeve starts. Under the hood of this guy, we have an LS3, bringing a little bit of modern power to this classic icon. Running about 425 horsepower out of that LS3, and I promise you guys, in a car like this, that is more than enough. In the front, you got a brand new radiator with dual electric fans, of course. Check out right here. What is that? Vintage air. Got to stay cool inside of your cool car. Of course, like I mentioned before, 4-way disc brakes. So you got your master cylinder and the brake booster right there. Got a RotoFab cold air intake boxed off to keep your IATs lower in the front right there. Super, super clean engine bay, man. I mean, this thing is just absolutely gorgeous. We're out here in peak sunlight hours and it is just shining off, nearly blinding me. You bring this thing to a show, you're gonna snap every single neck around. You also have a set of long tube headers on this guy, which makes that LS3 sound absolutely phenomenal. So let's go start it up for you guys real quick so you can hear the roar of this 69 Camaro. And in true classic Camaro owner fashion, it comes with a plaque to show off at any of those car shows that, again, you're gonna win. Also on this Camaro, a brand new vinyl convertible top that goes down with one press of a button, and we'll do that for you guys right now. Flip this out right here, flip this latch out right here, flick this switch down, and your top is coming off, baby. Now this gorgeous interior is exposed. Guys, we have an LS3 in here, but we're going for the classic look on the inside of this Camaro. You got brand new reupholstered vinyl seats in the front and the back. In the center console and on the dash, you have this wood flowing across to give it just that perfect amount of contrast. You got a brand new steering wheel right here. Brand new Pioneer sound system across the car, so all of your music sounds phenomenal. And that, of course, comes with a brand new modern radio up in the front right there, but it keeps that classic look. A few other modern touches. In the front, we have brand new Dakota digital gauges right next to that, the controls for your vintage air that we touched on earlier. And of course, to tie it in together, we have none other than a Tremec TKX 5-speed manual transmission, because who wants a automatic in a 69 Camaro? Not me, not you, not anyone. I wish you guys could feel how good this trans feels. The throws, absolute butter. This thing is a blast to drive, and we're gonna take it out in just a second. Brand new RS floor mats inside of this guy as well. Windshield wipers, smooth as butter too. Also in the back, you got a brand new Rick's fuel tank under the car. All around, just an absolutely beautiful Camaro. Now let's hop inside and take this guy out for a spin. Starts right up, sounds phenomenal. Let's go take this guy out on the road, have some fun. All right, get this guy out of the parking lot. Guys, I cannot stress enough how good this car drives. This Tremec transmission feels absolutely incredible. Having a modern day power plant in these cars just brings it to a whole nother level. I mean, it feels like you're driving a modern day Camaro, but you're in a 69 chassis. I promise you, there's nothing better than that. I mean, Easy. I mean, guys, just look at the throws on this. Look at how smooth they are. It is just a phenomenal driving experience. You ready? Watch. So fun, man. Absolutely so fun. You know, a lot of people will put new wheels on these cars, bigger wheels, 19s, 18s. But you know, with these 14-inch, when you have the huge tires on them, it gives it such a smooth driving experience. It's honestly, it's a really comfortable car. Along with the vinyl seats, no buckets in this guy, no Recaros or anything, so you're not completely strapped down, feel like you're in a race car. You're just in a comfortable 69 Camaro with a 425 horsepower LS3 in it. Let's hear that guy. Oh, so fun. I mean, it just puts you in a state of euphoria being in this thing. I wish you guys could be here with me right now and experience this, because there is nothing like it. I mean, I sound like a broken record, but genuinely, that is the only thing to say about this car. There is nothing like it. Even the handling on this guy. I mean, it's a 69, but the body roll, not too much body roll on this. You could have a blast with this guy going in a straight line. You could have a blast with this guy going on curves, driving on back roads. It's a fantastic weekend car to take out, hit your favorite back road, or just take to lunch, dinner, breakfast, date night, take the kids out, go to soccer practice, whatever you want to do. I mean, this thing can do it all. And it's a gorgeous sunny day here in Carrollton, Texas, and just look at the paint glistening off this car. That Carolina blue, baby. That Carolina blue, looking absolutely phenomenal. Such a good car, man. The color is perfect, the ride is perfect. The powertrain is perfect. We'll go ahead and roll through some more gears for you guys so you can hear that glorious LS3 sound again, because one pull is not enough. Woo! Alrighty, now we got her up on the lift and we're gonna give you guys a peek at the underside, and let me tell you, this thing looks so good. Fully painted, not a lick of rust to be seen on the underside of this guy. We can check out that big old Trimec transmission right there, Holley oil pan on the bottom side. You get a good look at this fabulous dual exit exhaust going all the way to the back with those two mufflers right on the top right there, but not enough sound suppression so that you can't hear the sound of that gorgeous LS3. All in all, a super clean undercarriage on this Camaro. The exterior is perfect, the interior is perfect, the drive is perfect, and even the undercarriage on this Camaro is perfect. Alrighty, and now we are pulling back into the main shop. In the front, you'll see the offering of classic vehicles that we have as well. Alrighty, and that is all for this gorgeous 69 Camaro. It can be yours for $117,900. The full listing on this guy is live online on the website right now, www.earthmotorcars.com. Head over there to check it out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.